Welcome to the Cortex Learning Blog. This tutorial will deal with inserting a loop into an existing model. To illustrate this, we'll look at a very simple model containing a single element, and what we're going to do is insert a loop into this single element. To illustrate the technique, we'll be inserting a loop in the Z direction. To do this, we need to first break the element into 3 sections. Click the appropriate icon, select Insert Multiple Nodes, and we want to break it into 3 elements. Caesar 2 will automatically number the new nodes in the system. Click OK, and notice we have an element now broken into 3 separate elements. Let's turn on node numbering so that we can better illustrate what's going on as we do our editing. We go from element 10 to 13 to 16 and on to 20. Let's insert a new element after element 10 to 13. Notice Caesar 2 now creates a new element. We create a new node number. This is an arbitrary number, but let's make it 100 for the sake of this exercise. We'll make it 1500 in the Z direction. Notice that the model is not connected terribly well, so we need to go to the following element and change node number 13 to the new node number 100. This will connect the model correctly. We have one more element to insert, so let's insert a new element after node number 100 to 16. We'll make the element 16 to 110. It'll be 1500 or negative 1500 in the Z direction. Again, notice that the model is not properly connected, so we'll go to the final element. We'll change node number 16 to node number 110 so that the system becomes connected properly. We now have our basic shape, and all we need to do is to double click on bends on each of the elements to insert bends at each corner. And once that's done, we've inserted our bend. What you'll notice is that the node numbers are not contiguous. So we go from 10 to 13 to 100 to 16 to 110 to 20. So they're all over the place. Many engineers would like to clean this up by renumbering the nodes. So let's have a quick look at how to do that. One of the easiest ways to do this is to go into the list view, select elements, and down in the right hand corner we'll see that we have a list of the elements. We just need to highlight all of those. The model will turn yellow to indicate that all of these elements have been selected. We then go to renumbering a block, and what we want to do is renumber all the elements in that block. Let's start with 100. We'll increment the nodes by 10. And we want to renumber the boundary nodes, that's the anchors, as well. Click OK, and notice that all the nodes have been renumbered.